Towards hope. Today, when I woke up in the morning, I remembered that everywhere people were talking of despairing things. Then, after some time, I saw the sun rising. Then I thought that the world is moving from darkness towards light, while the people of the world were speaking as if the world was going towards darkness. This is against nature. The world in which we are staying, there is a system in place which brings light after darkness. Then how can those who stay in this world, human beings, be governed by a different or opposite principle? Why was this so? There is a very simple reason for this. I remembered an incident of an educated girl in Delhi. She went to Germany with her husband. She stayed there for some time. There she met a German lady, and they later became acquaintances. Once the girl from Delhi said to her friend that they believed in paradise, but the German lady replied, "Why do we need paradise? We can have everything from our marketplaces." I believe that this culture prevalent in the world today is the basic reason. God had settled man on earth so that he remembers God and lives in his thoughts. The prophet once said, "I have never seen a person who should be desirous of paradise, but is lying asleep." The Creator has created man as a talib, or seeker of paradise, but he forgets paradise and becomes a seeker of the world. I believe that after having become despaired, we need to return to our original nature. We need to return to our Creator. The Creator is still giving us glad tidings of hope. I remember this verse of the Quran in Surah 93, "Your Lord has not abandoned you." I feel this verse is in the extended sense for all human beings. God is saying, "Oh man, don't think that your Creator has forsaken you. No. This situation of yours is a reminder for you. You need to understand the system of nature, understand your Creator. This is a time of rediscovery. You need to rediscover that the Creator has made this world in such a way that it cannot go from light to darkness. Rather, it is going from darkness to light. This is the message the universe is given every day. Every morning brings this message. Our Creator is a living. God's angels are alive. We do not need to despair. We all need to return to the Creator. He will surely turn to us. Whatever is happening is to give you a shock and remind you that you need to change your lifestyle and your way of thinking and understand the creation plan of God. Then all of God's blessings will return to you, just as the sun sets in the evening and rises again in the morning. We need to rediscover this. I will give all of you this advice. Do not see the darkness of night, but focus your eyes on daylight. Remove the word hopelessness from your dictionary. We can change our situation through hope. We can change our circumstances by conviction in God. We can change our situation by way of rethinking, replanning, and again discovering the lost lessons. If yesterday was a dark day, the next day can become full of light. We need to have this conviction and pray to God. We need to think with this conviction. I have always experienced in my life that when I made living with hope my goal, that in strange ways, paths were opened up for me. It seemed that the sun which had hidden in shade had come back again in full view. We need to develop positive thinking in ourselves. We must forget that we faced darkness yesterday. We should only focus on light and not darkness. I pray for all of you.